Accessing the quality of the product by builds or release is an essential part of determining the product maturity. Abaut's build maturity does this by evaluating the test execution results and pass-fail ratio of messages passing through the nodes across the different builds. This helps the user understand what the trend look like and the maturity with time. Let us see the About node maturity by build in action. The summary page provides a maturity score of each node in the network setup across different weeks of the year. The maturity is measured in percentage and plotted against time on the x-axis. About uses advanced machine learning and statistical model to arrive at the scores. However, to help users understand, first let us select the network type. Now, one can drill down into the report by selecting a node on the graph and select Check Maturity Details. We now see the report, node-wise distribution of messages for the feature file executed. Filters are automatically applied post the drill down. One can also pin this filter such that the same filter can be applied while navigating into other reports. On the pie chart with the mouse over, one can see the percentage difference in the number of messages executed versus number of messages not executed. This is the first indicator of the test coverage of the nodes across the different text executions. Next, let us see maturity and coverage. This report shows the total maturity score obtained and the number of unique feature files that were executed in order to arrive at the number. This maturity score is derived based on the percentage of critical messages passed and the number of time they are executed by various test cases. Next, let us see weighted contribution per message. This report provides a list of all the messages relevant to the node sorted based on the criticality score. The criticality score is a metric calculated by Abaut's machine learning algorithm which maps all messages executed by different test cases over time. And based on the different call flows, it sees which message is more important with respect to others. In this report, a color bar indicator shows how many times the message was successfully executed. The message that did not execute are grayed out. This analysis gives a clear picture of the maturity figure of a particular node. In order to substantiate further, it is possible to get further insight into this machine learning algorithm in the form of a graph and understand why a message of a node is given a criticality score. Let us now check the message distribution report. In this report, we see the same messages which we saw in the weighted contribution per message report. But here the messages are sorted as per criticality score. In order to understand why some messages have higher criticality score versus other, one can click into the view graph on the URL column. A new window opens which shows the message criticality graph. This is a graph view of the messages which are interconnected to each other by lines whose thickness and color indicate the frequency of connection, and the color of the node indicates the importance of the message itself. By understanding the map of the machine learning algorithm, we get a much clearer insight into the score we have seen on the trend maturity. Please schedule for a demo for detailed understanding of this and some other features of About.